A cheap oil change at most competitors can cost well over $90, more in some cases. It may be somewhat quick, but what do you really get? New oil? That's it.
At West Point Buick GMC, you get much more for under $60 on most cars and small SUVs, $69.95 on most trucks and SUVs excluding diesels. And we use only the finest synthetic oils approved by the manufacturers to ensure top performance for your vehicle. Here's what you can expect at West Point Buick GMC. First, you'll meet with your advisor. They'll review the history of your vehicle with you. They'll listen to your needs. Then conduct a walk-around visual inspection of your vehicle, checking your tire pressure, tire wear, and your wiper blades. Then a certified technician will complete the oil change, rotate the tires, recheck the tire pressure, recalibrate the pressure sensor monitors, and complete a 27-point inspection. We'll do a light interior vacuum, wash your vehicle, and return it to you clean, safe, and ready for the road ahead. All in all, you could expect an average of about an hour. Could be sooner, may even take a few minutes longer. So we invite you to enjoy a snack and beverage. Check out some of the new Buick and GMC lineup, and if you need anything, don't hesitate to ask any staff member or Randy Bowman, Assistant General Manager.